Okay, so we've just finished doing a ghost to immobiliser on this MG ZS2 75 plate. Just comes straight from basically the main dealer. Let me just run through how everything works. Close that door. Okay, so if we try to start the car with no pin code, it doesn't say ready at the bottom just here, and you can't select gear, so the vehicle's immobilized. So to basically start the vehicle, no feet on the pedals, press the start button, wait for some of the lights to extinguish. There we go, and we've got the rear demister as a demonstration button, which we'll be changing afterwards. So if you press that 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see the high beam flash twice, like so. Put on the brake and start the car, and it's ready to go, as it says there. So also, if you would like to put it in service mode, all you do, we've currently got the service button as the parking brake, up 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll get 5 flashes on the high beam. And now the vehicle is in service mode, so which means you don't need no code when you give it to the garage. You just start it up, and it's ready to go. Okay, to take it out of service mode, all you do whilst the car's running, you just press the pin code of what you've chosen. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get 2 flashes, and the vehicle is now out of service mode and back in its normal protection state.